How to delete prompt notes on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete prompt notes on Instagram. For this, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Now log into your account by entering your credentials. From here, you want to tap on the chats icon at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your prompt notes over here. If you want to delete it, you simply want to tap on your prompt note. So here, if you tap on this, you're going to find your prompt note as well as the response. Now tap on your response in this way. You're going to find two options here. The first one is add a new response and the second one is delete response. You want to tap on the delete response option over here. Once you tap on the delete response option, as you can see, your prompt note has been successfully deleted. If you want to add a new prompt note, simply tap on the your note option, then select this question mark icon. Go ahead and write a prompt over here, and then you want to add in a response in this way. Then tap on share, and as you can see, a new prompt note has been added. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.